Airport check-in problem.
Good morning. I'm here to check in for flight AA552 to Madrid. Here is my passport.
Good morning. Let me look at your booking. Could you please provide your booking reference?
Yes, it's RX881P. My flight is scheduled for 10 a.m., isn't it?
Let me see. I'm sorry, but I don't see an active reservation under this reference.
What? That's impossible. I confirmed this flight last month. I have the digital ticket on my phone.
I understand that this is frustrating. Can you show me the confirmation?
Here, look. It says payment completed. This is a disaster. I have a major presentation in Madrid at 3 p.m.
I see the ticket. It seems your booking was voided automatically due to a system error.
Voided? Why? No one sent me any notice about this.
There was probably an issue with the bank authorization. The system tried to notify you.
But I never received any alert. What can we do? I have to be in Madrid today.
Let me check if there are still seats left for this departure.
Please. This presentation is critical for my career. I've worked on it for months.
I understand. Good news. There is one last seat in the premium section.
I'll take it. How much is the fare difference?
The seat costs £380. I can update your ticket immediately if you wish.
That's quite pricey, but I don't have a choice. Please book it.
Certainly. May I have your credit card for the payment?
Here it is. Can I still pass through security before boarding?
Yes, it should be fast. Security takes about 20 minutes right now.
Okay, thank you. I apologize for my reaction earlier. I was very stressed.
No problem at all. I understand how you feel. Here is your boarding pass. Gate 11. Boarding starts at 9:30 a.m.
Gate 11. Got it. Thank you so much for your assistance.
You're welcome. Have a safe flight and good luck with your presentation.
Thanks. I really appreciate everything.
Lost at the train station.
Excuse me, sir. Can you help me? I'm trying to find platform 9 for the train to Edinburgh.
Of course. Platform 9 is just over there. See that sign? Follow it to the left.
Oh, thank you. I was so confused. The announcements are really hard to understand.
Yes, they can be difficult, especially if you're not used to them. Are you visiting London?
Yes, I'm from America. This is my first time in the UK. Everything is so different here.
Welcome to London. How long are you staying?
Just 5 days. I want to see Edinburgh, then come back to London. Is the train journey long?
It's about 4.5 hours. It's a beautiful journey. You'll see lovely countryside.
That sounds great. One more question. Do I need to print my ticket or can I just show my phone?
Your phone is fine. Just show the QR code to the conductor when they come around.
Perfect. And which carriage should I go to?
Check your ticket. It should say the carriage letter. Usually A, B, C, and so on.
Let me see. It says carriage D, seat 24.
Brilliant. Carriage D will be near the middle of the train. Look for the letter on the platform.
Near the middle. Got it. What time does boarding start?
The train leaves at 11:15, so boarding usually starts about 10 minutes before. You have time.
That's a relief. Can I buy food on the train?
Yes, there's a buffet car. They have sandwiches, snacks, tea, and coffee.
Wonderful. Thank you so much. You've been really helpful.
You're very welcome. Enjoy Edinburgh. It's a fantastic city.
I'm really excited. Thanks again.
No problem. Have a safe journey.
Taxi fare dispute.
Excuse me, driver. I think there's a mistake with the fare.
What do you mean?
The meter shows 38 pounds, but the hotel told me it would cost about 20 pounds to the museum and back.
Well, that depends on traffic. We hit heavy traffic on the way back.
I understand, but this seems like too much. Can you explain the charges?
Of course. The base fare is £3. Then it's £2.50 per mile, plus waiting time.
Waiting time? What waiting time?
You asked me to wait for you outside the museum for 30 minutes. That's £15.
Oh, I didn't know waiting time would cost so much. Nobody told me.
I'm sorry, miss. I thought you knew. It's standard. I should have mentioned it.
I would have taken another taxi back if I knew. This is very expensive for me.
I understand. Look, I can reduce the waiting time charge. How about £30 total?
That's still a lot, but I understand.
Okay, £28.
Thank you for being reasonable.
You're welcome. I'm sorry about the confusion. Next time, always ask about waiting charges first.
I will definitely remember that. Can I pay with my card?
Yes, of course. I have a card reader right here.
Great, here's my card.
Processing. Thank you. The receipt will print in just a moment.
Thank you. And thank you for explaining everything.
No problem. It's important to understand these things when you travel. Have a nice evening.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye, and enjoy the rest of your time in London.
Hotel reservation mix-up.
Good evening. I have a reservation under the name Weber, Thomas Weber.
Good evening, Mr. Weber. Let me check for you. Can you spell your last name, please?
Yes, Weber. I booked a double room for 3 nights.
I see your reservation here, Mr. Weber. However, I'm afraid there's a problem.
A problem? What kind of problem?
I'm very sorry, but your room was given to another guest.
Given to another guest? How is that possible? I have a confirmation number.
I sincerely apologize. There was an error in our system. We thought you weren't coming.
Not coming? My flight was delayed, but I called the hotel this afternoon to let you know.
Let me check our messages. You're absolutely right. I can see the message here. This is our mistake.
I'm traveling for 12 hours. I'm exhausted. What are you going to do about this?
I completely understand your frustration, Mr. Weber. Let me see what options we have.
I really need to sleep. I have meetings starting at 9 a.m. tomorrow.
Of course. Give me just one moment to check availability.
This is very unprofessional. I've stayed at this hotel chain many times before.
You're absolutely right, and I apologize again. We value your loyalty. I have a solution for you.
What solution?
We don't have any double rooms available, but we do have a junior suite. I'd like to upgrade you at no extra charge.
A junior suite for the same price as my double room?
Yes, exactly. And I'd also like to offer you complimentary breakfast for all 3 mornings.
Well, that's better. What about tonight's rate? Will you discount that too?
Absolutely. Tonight will be completely free. We'll only charge you for the next 2 nights.
Okay, that seems fair. I appreciate you making this right.
Thank you for understanding, Mr. Weber. Here are your key cards. You're in room 507 on the 5th floor.
Thank you. Where are the elevators?
Just past the sitting area on your right. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, that's everything. Thank you for resolving this.
You're very welcome. Again, I apologize for the inconvenience. Have a pleasant stay.
Bus route confusion.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can you help me understand this bus map? I'm trying to get to the British Museum.
Of course, dear. The British Museum. You'll want the number 55 or the 98. Both go there.
The 55 or 98. Okay, good. How much does the bus cost?
Do you have an Oyster card or a contactless bank card?
I have an Oyster card. I bought it at the train station this morning.
Perfect. Just tap it on the yellow reader when you get on the bus. It's about £1.75.
Tap on the yellow reader. Got it. Do I tap again when I get off?
No, dear. Only when you get on. It's different from the tube.
Oh, that's confusing. On the subway, I had to tap both times.
Yes, I know it seems strange. The tube needs both taps, but buses only need one.
Thank you for explaining. How will I know when to get off at the museum?
The bus announces each stop. You'll hear British Museum very clearly. Also, you can follow on your phone with Google Maps.
That's a good idea. About how long does it take from here?
Maybe 15 or 20 minutes, depending on traffic.
Not too bad. One more question. Does the 55 come often?
Every 8 to 10 minutes, usually. Look, the display says the next one arrives in 4 minutes.
Oh, perfect. I can see it on the screen now. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome, dear. Are you enjoying London?
I love it. Everyone has been so friendly and helpful, just like you.
That's wonderful to hear. Have a lovely time at the museum.
Thank you. You've made my day easier.
My pleasure, dear. Enjoy.